I pressure cooked 9 pork chops in bullseye barbecue sauce and Goulden's mustard. And then I saved the juice after it was done. Threw it into the fridge and took off all the fat. Then marinated chicken breast strips. Oh man, the smell is amazing. About 4 minutes on one side. Wait for it. And good to go. It's been a little bit more than 5 minutes. I used my digital thermometer, laser. Now it's time to put a plate on it and drain it. Look at all the yucky. Wait for it. Quick paper towel to clean out all the yucky. Leave that burny in there though. Oops. Wait for it. Now it's only going to be 2 minutes. So we overcooked it. Look how it shrinks up. Oh, it's so hot. It smells so good. That's some of the yucky. Wait for it. The other side only takes 2 minutes. Look at that. Shut off the fire. And throw it into a bowl. Let it cool. Amazing. The smell. Wow. Sorry. Don't have smell-o-vision. And the second time, just a little bit of moisture. Delicious.